Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now Sugar Cosmetics is blowing the beauty industry with its quick and interesting launches. This time their launch is very interesting because they have come up with makeup brushes. So this is the first time that Sugar Cosmetics is launching their makeup brushes, and the total number of brushes that are being launched right now are 13, and it is a mixed bag of face brushes and eye brushes, and the launch looks really exciting, but again you really don't know what the reality is. So in this video I am going to try almost all the brushes from their kit. I'll create a makeup look in which I can use as many brushes as possible, and I will give you 100% honest feedback so that you can take a rational decision before you invest your money in them. Now I will be doing my eye makeup first because I'm always more interested in eye makeup brushes rather than face makeup brushes, and also I'll be doing a really complicated smoky eye look because that is something that needs really good quality brushes, and that would be like the Agni Pariksha of these brushes. So yes, I will be attempting a smoky eye makeup look, and a big bummer is that in these 13 brushes there is no eyebrow brush. So I'll do my eyebrows and be right back. Eyebrow grooming मैंने कर ली है, and now I'll be creating the eye base. I am very particular about the eye base that I create, and in my normal routine I use this PAC 362. It is a super precision brush जो कि बहुत अच्छे से eyebrow framing करता है, but unfortunately out of all the 13 brushes from Sugar, इतना precise brush कोई मुझे दिखा नहीं. If you can see how pointed and how thin it is, I think I'll be using their concealer brush to create the eye base. थोड़ा सा तो fluffy है ये, but that's what we have, so that's what I'm going to try. This Derma base that I use for my eye base is very thick, so let's see how this brush works with the thicker formulas. So I think with a bigger brush the benefit is कि eye base बहुत जल्दी लग जाता है. With a smaller brush मुझे बहुत time लगता है. If you look at the base closely, I think the coverage is pretty decent. सबसे बड़ा concern होता है strokes का, because what I have used is actually a concealer brush. So for a concealer brush it is very important that it should not leave behind many strokes, and from what I can see is कि there is not much stroking left behind because obviously it is a drier formula. तो उसके हिसाब से भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे strokes मुझे feel हो नहीं रहे हैं, हल्के हल्के यहाँ पर है, but yeah, nothing major. So I think this concealer brush from the Sugar Cosmetic brush range has my approval because मैंने इसको eye base के लिए use करा, which is a very tricky thing to do, but yeah, I think it has worked pretty well. Create the transition shade on my eyes, I am confused between these two brushes. So they both are blending brushes. This is 43, it is more flat, and this is 42 and it is slightly round. It's more like a bullet brush या dome brushes जिसको हम कहते हैं. But if I notice one major difference, इसके जो bristles हैं they are more closely packed, so it is not that airy, and this one it has more of a free fall to it. So I think for my transition I'll be using this one. So what I feel is that the color deposit is pretty strong. So if you are using this brush, one thing that you have to keep in mind is कि आप बहुत कम pigment लो, especially if you are using something like Huda Beauty जो इतने the eyeshadows are so strongly pigmented, and after you have taken the pigment you just do it 4-5 times ताकि जितना भी extra product है वो चला जाए. So if you see ये इतना ज़्यादा deposit हो गया है, it is going to take a lot of energy from my end to blend it, right? Okay, so for this brush my hand to hand judgment would be that it's a really good brush because इसने जितना भी pigment लिया था most of it was transferred. So yeah, this Blend Trend eyeshadow brush 43 also have my approval. Now I am using this 42 brush just to blend this shadow more. There's no, I've not taken any color on this. I will just use this to blend. थोड़ा सा it is difficult to work with this brush, I'll say. मतलब the brush that I used before it, the 43rd one, the 043, उसका जो मूवमेंट था ना वो बहुत स्मूथ था. लाइक आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग स्लाइटली दिस एंड इट वाज stroking itself beautifully, but with this I feel the movement is quite restricted. So अगर तो आपको experience है तब तो आप deal कर लोगे, but if you are new in this field of makeup, then this brush is going to be a little challenging for you. So मतलब मैंने तो जैसे तैसे करके यूज कर लिया है, but this is not the kind of brush that I would recommend people to try, especially if you are a beginner. Now I'll be taking this dual eyeshadow brush, and on one end it is flat and on the other end it is, you know, has this round thing. So I'll be using this flat eyeshadow brush and I am going to pick this really intense black color, right? So the reason why I'm using the flat side is because I want to really pack the pigment on, and again just removing a lot of excess. Let's see. So the product has been placed really well. मतलब I do feel कि जितना pigment उठाया है उतना ही पैक करा है. No loss of pigment. Alright, and now I think I'll immediately take the other side and start blending. Yeah, I think even the blending side is working really well, because अगर आप देखो तो अच्छे से blend हो रहा है वो. And the best part is that this blending brush, it's very small, so especially when you have to work on the inner corners, this kind of size helps. क्योंकि अगर inner corner में आप बहुत बड़ा brush लेके जाओगे, then all your pigment will come over here and that doesn't look very clean. So yeah, it's working pretty well for me. What do you say? Now there's another dual sided eye makeup brush, which is brush number 413, and the difference between this and this is just of size. So this one that I've used is of a smaller size 412, and this is इसी का same replica है, but it is slightly bigger, है ना? But according to me, like, you should always invest in a smaller brush because they are so much more practical, and you know, especially this inner corner mess, वो smaller brush से better कोई नहीं handle कर सकता. So for me this brush is not very useful and I don't think I'll use it. Now I have one more eye makeup brush to try, which is 041. So what I will do is I'll take a little bit of brown color. So this is a flat brush only, है ना? So there are lots of flat brushes from the Sugar range coming your way, and I am just going to pack some pigment. Underneath my eye. So you can see कि pigment बहुत अच्छे से आ रहा है. So in a smoky makeup, we always bring the black below the waterline, and normally I always do this work using this Real Technique flat brush because look at the size, it is so small and perfect. Unfortunately in Sugar we do not have a brush of this size, so I think I'll be using the same black brush जिससे मैंने ये look करा था. I'll be using the same brush under my waterline and let's see what happens. So on my eyes this has worked pretty well for two reasons. एक तो ये कि मुझे बहुत practice है ये काम करने की, and my eyes are quite big if not very big. But if your hand is not very set, and secondly if your eyes are small, then I would never recommend you to use this brush below your waterline. In fact any brush out of this Sugar collection I don't think is suitable to be used like this अगर आपकी आंखें छोटी हैं या आपका हाथ उतना सेट नहीं है. दिस इज द कंसीलर ब्रश. इसको मैं ऑलरेडी इसका फीडबैक दे चुकी हूँ अपनी आईज के ऊपर, बट अगेन लेट्स ट्राई दिस ऑन द अंडर आई एज वेल. द साइज ऑफ दिस कंसीलर ब्रश इज प्रीटी डिसेंट, क्योंकि मतलब इसका साइज ऐसा है कि कंसीलिंग बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगी, एंड द पिगमेंट पैकिंग, नॉट पिगमेंट पैकिंग बट द प्रोडक्ट पैकिंग इज ऑल्सो प्रीटी नाइस, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया था देयर वॉज अ बिग स्पॉट ओवर हियर और अच्छे से कवर हो गया सब कुछ. नाउ आई नॉर्मली आफ्टर दिस स्टेज आई नॉर्मली यूज माई ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर टू पैक इट, बट today I'm not going to do anything because we just want to see the reality of the brushes, right? Now after concealing we will move over to foundation application, जिसके लिए मेरे पास 3 ऑप्शन है. So I can either use a flat brush to apply the foundation, then we have a kabuki brush or a stippling brush, and number 3 we have a dual brush. So this is a kabuki on one end and on the other end we have a foundation brush. So basically ये तो बाद में हम देखेंगे. ये जो दोनों ब्रशेस है दे बोथ आर काबुकी और यू कैन कॉल देम स्टिपलिंग ब्रशेस, एंड इसमें जो डिफरेंस है वो ज्यादा नहीं है. दिस सिंगल ब्रश, द सिंगल काबुकी ब्रश, इसके जो ब्रिसल्स है और जिसको आप हेयर बोल सकते हो, ब्रश के हेयर जो हैं, दे आर नॉट सो टाइटली पैक्ड कि आपको ऐसे लगे कि ये लोग देयर इज नो फ्लो टू इट. बट अगर मैं इसको देखूं सो आई फील दैट द ब्रशेस आर क्वाइट टाइटली पैक्ड, और उसका जो ड्रॉबैक होता है वो ये होता है दैट आई हैव यूज्ड इट ओनली वंस, सिर्फ एक बार यूज करा है, एंड यू कैन सी कि कितने सारे जो इसके 1 2 3 4 5 कितने सारे जो हेयर है वो ऑलरेडी निकलना शुरू हो गए, बिकॉज वो इतना टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं दैट इवन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रेशर can uproot them. So yes, I mean between these two I would always prefer this brush, and that is the one that we'll be using now. So the drill is that I will be using flat foundation brush on one side, and on the other half I will use the kabuki, and we'll see how both of them are working. Alright, तो फाउंडेशन लग गया है, but I can definitely see a lot of brush strokes over here. Of course you can go over with a beauty blender, but the reality of this brush is that it is going to leave strokes. So for this side we are using the kabuki. तो जितना भी प्रोडक्ट था वो एक ही बारी में इस ब्रश में सारा समा गया, right? So I think this brush has absorbed a lot of product. Okay, so it was much more easy to apply foundation using a kabuki brush if I compare it to the flat brush. It was much less time taking, मतलब within seconds it was all done and dusted. And also I think जो stroking है वो इसमें इस साइड पे कम है because of the stippling, and इस साइड पे I feel ज़्यादा है. Even अगर हम coverage की बात करें, so if you are somebody like me who doesn't like एकदम वो layer of foundation, then you should use a kabuki brush rather than a flat brush. Of course you can always use a beauty blender over a flat brush, but if you have to make a decision only and only between brushes, then I would say opt for a kabuki rather than the flat brush. Then there is this huge powder brush that we'll be using to set our face, and the size of this brush is perfect, because अगर powder brushes छोटे होंगे ना, they will make patches of powder on your face, and that is the reason why powder brushes हमेशा बहुत बड़े and fluffy बनाए जाते हैं, so that one sweep and your face is done. Then next on we have this contour brush. So normally I've always worked with such big contour brushes because they are very easy, you know, ekdam just one swipe and it's all there. But comparatively this is a very small contour brush. It is also quite fluffy. So you know, it's not going to give you that ekdam patli wali line. You'll have to work your way around it. So yeah, let's try this one.
So
honestly, so far I am really not impressed with this contour brush because ek to it is not at all sturdy. Like contour brushes are supposed to be a little sturdy because you are working on lines over here, and also it has created a lot of patches क्योंकि इसका size इतना छोटा है that बार बार you will have to take the color again. So you know, some kind of patchiness is also there. अब इसको blend करो बैठ के, which is also a very challenging thing. And मतलब not happy with the contour brush. The Sugar contour brush needs a lot of improvement. Lot of improvement. Did not work for me. So after a really bad experience with the contour brush, I am going to try the blush brush. Size में ठीक है, for me maybe it's a little small because I have this habit of using really big blush brushes, but yeah, let's see. So honestly with this brush also I am feeling a little problem of patchiness. अगर आप ये देखो और ये देखो, हल्का सा तो patchiness आया है. So I'll probably use my fingers. This brush is not bad, but I don't know why I felt कि it is slightly patchy. Then next on we have the highlighting brush. So I have always used fan brushes for highlighting. I prefer using fan brushes for highlighting, but in the Sugar collection this is what you are getting as a highlighter brush. So this is working fine, I feel. With a fan brush it's a different kind of, you know, swag. You just do like this and this line over here, but this is also working pretty fine. And yeah, I just realized that I have used all the brushes. Only the lipstick is remaining. There is no lipstick brush in the Sugar kit. So I think I'll just apply my lipstick and be right back. So I am back and I can proudly say that I've done a full face of makeup using only Sugar brushes, and I think I gave you the feedback during the video also, and everything was very genuine. I just quickly wanted to talk about the prices. So all the Sugar brushes are priced at 399 rupees except these three brushes. So these dual eyeshadow brushes are available for 599 rupees, and this dual face brush is available for 699 rupees. So these three are the only exceptions. Rest all the brushes are available at a standard price of 399 rupees. Now I'll be very honest with you guys, I use brushes from a lot of different brands. You know, this is the vanity that I've built over time, and if I compare everything, I can say that Sugar Cosmetics have a long way to go because number one, बहुत सारे important brushes तो launch ही नहीं हुए हैं. There is no eyebrow brush, there is no eyeliner brush, there is no small blending brush, there is no small flat application brush, then there is no lip liner brush or lip filling brush. So even the contour brush totally not impressive. So बहुत सारे brushes जो हैं वो missing है. categorically speaking, अगर हम आई मेकअप ब्रशेस की बात करते हैं, so although they perform pretty well, but for 400 rupees you can get even better brushes and a lot of more variety from Pro Arte or Plume, or even your PSC has really good brushes. Then there is CS Essentials. So ऐसे बहुत सारे brands हैं जो 400 रुपए तक के बहुत अच्छे आई मेकअप ब्रशेस रखते हैं मार्केट में. Talking about face brushes, so yes, for 400 rupees getting face brushes is a big thing. They are quite inexpensive in that sense, but honestly I was not so impressed with their face brushes. Like their contour brush was a big no for me. The blush on brush was not so good for me. Remaining brushes were pretty fine. So मतलब अगर आपको affordability wise देखने हैं तो I would say the face brushes are decent enough, but for eye makeup brushes in 400 rupees there are many more good options in the market. I am not saying that Sugar Cosmetic brushes are not good, but at the same price you can get a lot more variety and much better quality in the market. So this was all from my side about the Sugar Cosmetics newly launched face brushes and eye makeup brushes. I really hope that you found this video useful, and I really hope that this video will help you make better decisions. And yeah, whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below. I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.